Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Beauty Style Mama. Today I am going to share my, it's like a big, you can see that it's a big bag, and which is holiday winter gift from Yesstyle. Yesstyle is a website which you can buy anything like makeup and skincare brands from a high to low end, and K-beauty and clothes, purses and lots of other things. If you want to check this website, you can see in my description below and use my code to shop. And there is a sale going on. There is a Black Friday sale over there, and you can use my code to save some dollars. So let's see what they send me. First of all, this is so cute because I usually bought almost every season and every time. These are really cool earmuffs, and I have 2 to 3 because me and my daughter always share that with each other. And see, this is in gray. See, isn't it so cute, so fluffy and so big? And I love these kind of things because usually I wear this head scarf in winters, and I don't wear the winter caps like that because it will ruin my this whole turban. So I usually wear that because I have these kind of very heavy shawls, scarf I have, so this is very convenient for me to wear that like that. And after that they send me this tights. These are so comfortable. See, the velvet is inside and it's very soft material, and it's a great thing for winter. So I will link all the things in the description below if you are interested in buying anything from this little gift haul. And another thing which I really like it is, I think it's Italian hat, right baby? It's Italian hat, right?
Yeah,
it's Italian
no,
hat.
It's not Italian, it's French.
Oh, it's French. My daughter told me that it is French like that.
It's an artist hat.
Yeah, I like, it's so cute actually, and you can wear like this or like this, and it's really cute. I really like this. I hope you can see that. I really love these kind of hats because it looks so cute, you know. And I always wanted that hat so badly. The material is very soft and warm, and especially for winters if you like it. See, it's very warm and the color is really pretty. And another thing which I like the most in this bag is this shawl. I really love that. See, it's so cozy, so wintry. See, see, I love this. Is so soft and so nice. Can you think about it? You have hot chocolate with some marshmallows in it, and you are sitting near the fire, and you wear this shawl and on your what you can say recliner, and watch your favorite movie in the winters. That's what I'm thinking when I grab this shawl. This is so cool, and I love the check print so much. So I am so excited because it's really good. I usually don't like winters, but these are things which I really love in winters, because I usually wear these kind of shawls and everything in the winters. So another thing I want to share with you, it's so cute. This thing, can you see that? You. This is very cute thing, because this is not actually a pillow cover. This is a really bag in which you have this thing. This is a throw which you can use in the winters when you watching your movie and you feel little cold. You can, it is very soft and smooth, like baby soft. I really like it, and the print is so cool. It's just like the bag, and you can fold it and put it in this bag, and when you need that you can take out and use that. Otherwise you can use this as a cushion in your a recliner or something on your bed also. It's okay if you like these kind of things in your bed. It's so cute, see, and it's so comfortable and so soft. I really like it. And another 3 things I have, it's so much things in the bag. And there is, I am thinking, first I saw these, I was thinking you can use on your shoes because it's leg warmers, but sometimes I feel I can use it in my arms also, right? When, see, it's, you can wear it like that. If your jacket is a little wide and you feel really cold, you can wear it on your hands also. It has become a multitasking thing. I really like this thing. I have 2 of these like this, not from Yesstyle, but I usually love these kind of things in winters. It's a must for me in winters. And another that's so cute prints. I have avocado print socks, and it's very soft and very cozy, like for winters. It's not the thin material, it's very thick material, and it's like for winters, because all my shopping haul is for winters. I really love these also. And the final thing which I want to share with you is the hand cream. And this hand cream is very good for winters. It keep your hands soft and non-cracky, like, because my hands are very dry in winters, and I usually love these kind of things in winter, because every time I have these things in my bag also. If you are interested what's in my bag all the time, I will share with you what's in my bag tag. If you are interested to watch, I will do that video for you. And that's all my video for Yesstyle influencer. And if you are interested in buying these things, I will link in my description below. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Because of this bell icon you will get notified. And don't unsubscribe my channel, please. I know I'm very lazy to making the videos after such a long time, but you know, there is lots of construction going on in my building, and every time I told you. And this video I am doing in the evening when all are gone. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Till my next video, bye.